What if building an app was as easy as telling your computer what you want it to do? No coding, no complex programming languages, just your ideas turned into real software. Welcome to Vibe Coding, a revolutionary approach that is changing the way we think about software development. Imagine being able to create your own app by simply describing it in plain English, and then watching the AI do all the hard work behind the scenes. Sounds like something out of the future, doesn't it? But it's happening now, and it's opening up new possibilities for everyone, from tech enthusiasts to entrepreneurs and artists. What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is a concept that lets you build software by describing what you want in everyday language. The AI takes those descriptions and turns them into functional code. No need to learn programming languages like Python or Java. You just say what you want, like create an app that tracks my fitness, and the AI figures out the rest. It's like having a conversation with your computer, but instead of typing lines of code, you simply tell it your idea. The AI understands your instructions and automatically generates the necessary code to make your idea come to life. How vibe coding works? Let's break it down into easy steps. 1. Input your ID. You describe what you want in plain, natural language. For example, if you want a website for your business, you could say, create a website with a home page, a contact form, and a product page. The AI doesn't need any special syntax, just your clear description. 2. AI understands and breaks it down. The AI uses deep learning to understand what you've described. It knows that a home page typically involves some text and images, while a contact form might need fields like name, email, and message. The AI breaks it all down into specific actions it can perform. 3. Code generation. Here's where the AI shines. It automatically generates the code needed to build your website or app using pre-built templates and code snippets. It does this so efficiently that it can create a fully functional website or app in no time based on your description. 4. Customization and refinement. After the AI creates the initial version, you can tweak things if needed. Want a different layout or extra features? You can describe those changes to the AI, and it will update the app or website accordingly. Once everything is ready, you have a fully functional product. Whether it's a website, mobile app, or even a desktop application, the AI has built it according to your specifications, without you needing to write a single line of code. Why vibe coding is a game changer? Why is vibe coding such a big deal? Well, it has the potential to change the way we think about software development. It's your team breaking down barriers. For years, learning to code has been a barrier for many people. But with vibe coding, anyone can create apps or websites. Whether you're a business owner, an artist, or just someone with an idea, vibe coding makes it possible to build software without needing to know how to code. Empowering creativists. Vibe coding opens up the world of software creation to a whole new audience. Artists, designers, and even those with no technical background can now bring their ideas to life. This empowers more people to create innovative solutions without the traditional coding hurdles, saving time and money. Building an app or website traditionally requires hiring developers, designers, and sometimes an entire team. With vibe coding, you can skip all that. The AI handles the heavy lifting, meaning you can get your product up and running much faster, and for a fraction of the cost. Rapid prototyping. One of the coolest benefits of vibe coding is how quickly you can prototype ideas. Instead of spending weeks or months building something from scratch, you can describe it to the AI and have a working prototype in just a few hours. This is a huge advantage for entrepreneurs and businesses that want to test new ideas quickly. Democratizing technology. Vibe coding has the potential to level the playing field. More people from all walks of life can now create software. This could lead to a surge of innovation as people with unique perspectives can finally bring their ideas to life without the usual tech. Real-world applications of vibe code. Vibe coding isn't just a futuristic idea. It's already being used in real-world applications. Here are a few examples of how it's being put to good use. 1. Business websites and apps. Small business owners are using vibe coding to create custom apps and websites for their companies. Need a store with a shopping cart, product pages, and a checkout system? The AI can create it all for you just by describing what you need. 2. Personalized health apps. In healthcare, vibe coding is being used to create personalized apps. Doctors and healthcare providers can describe the features they want in an app, such as tracking patient health data or scheduling appointments, and the AI builds it for them. 3. E-learning platforms. Educators can create interactive, personalized learning platforms using vibe coding. By simply describing what type of content they want to provide, iSystems can build custom educational tools that fit their teaching style. 4. Social media and networking apps. With vibe coding, creating a social network or communication app becomes incredibly easy. You could describe a platform where users can post updates, send messages, and create profiles, and the AI would build it from scratch. The future of vibe coding. So, where is vibe coding going? As AI technology continues to advance, the possibilities are endless. We can expect AI to become even better at understanding complex instructions and creating more sophisticated applications. In the future, you may be able to describe an even more detailed app or website, and the AI will be able to bring it to life with even more precision. However, there are still some challenges to overcome. For example, while vibe coding is great for basic apps, it might still struggle with highly complex systems or very specific customizations. But as AI continues to learn, these limitations will likely disappear. While vibe coding is revolutionary, it's not perfect. One of the main challenges is ensuring that the AI interprets descriptions accurately. A slight miscommunication in what you describe could lead to an app that doesn't quite meet your expectations. That's where the AI's ability to learn and improve over time becomes crucial. As more people use vibe coding, the AI will get better at understanding context and nuances. Another concern is the potential for oversaturation. With so many people creating apps, how do you stand out in a crowded market? While vibe coding makes software creation accessible to everyone, it also means that competition will be fierce. The challenge will be not just creating software, but creating something unique and valuable. Vibe coding is a game changer. It's breaking down barriers to entry in the world of software development, empowering more people to turn their ideas into reality. Whether you're a tech expert or someone with no coding experience, vibe coding makes it possible for anyone to create apps, websites, and more by simply describing what they want. This is the future of software development, a world where creativity and technology come together in a seamless way, and anyone with a vision can bring it to life. The possibilities are endless, and we're just getting started. So, what will you create with vibe coding? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're excited about this revolution in tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who need to know about vibe coding. The future is here. Let's make it happen together.